atrium. Atrium receives all the deoxygenated blood from all the body parts via vena cava. So these are vena cava. So इस vena cava में जो भी ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, जितने भी हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं, बॉडी ऑर्गन्स हैं, उनकी बॉडी पार्ट से सारा डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आता है यहाँ पे. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट हैपेंस इज दिस राइट एट्रियम रिलैक्सेस इटसेल्फ. राइट एट्रियम अपने आप को रिलैक्स करता है. सो व्हेन राइट एट्रियम इज रिलैक्सिंग, इट गेट्स फिल्ड विद द deoxygenated blood. Then after the right atrium is completely filled, it starts to contract, and as the process of contraction is taking place, all the blood from right atrium moves into the right ventricle. Same thing happens in the case of right ventricle. Initially right ventricle आपका relax होता है, and once it is completely filled, it again contracts itself. And when the right ventricle is contracting, यहाँ पे आपको ये जो flaps दिख रहे हैं, ये जो flaps दिख रहे हैं, जो flaps होते हैं ये shut down करते हैं when it is contracting, and as they are shutting down, there is no backflow of the blood that takes place, and the right atrium enters into this pipe-like structure which is your pulmonary artery. ठीक है, ये pulmonary artery है, and from pulmonary artery all the deoxygenated blood moves into the lungs for the process of purification of the blood to take place. Now at the lungs, at the alveolar site, exchange of gases takes place, and this carbon dioxide goes into the lungs, and the oxygen from the lungs enters into the blood, and it makes the blood pure. That is, it makes the blood oxygenated, and this oxygenated blood from lungs is now carried via pulmonary veins. वो pulmonary vein से it is carried and it enters into left atrium. As we have seen, left atrium, जो left side head deals with oxygenated blood. So via pulmonary veins, these oxygenated bloods are entering into the left atrium. During the process when it is entering, हमारा left atrium relax करता है, and once the blood is completely filled, our left atrium contracts itself, and as it is contracting, ये जो wall है यहाँ पे flaps हैं ये open होते हैं, and these flaps will open and all the blood will enter into the left ventricle. Same thing happens in the left ventricle also. Initially it will relax, followed by contraction, and when it is contracting, all the oxygenated blood enters into this pipe called aorta. It enters into aorta, and from here it is transported to all the body parts. Now all the body parts, they want oxygen rich blood so that they can carry out the process of respiration, and hence from aorta blood reaches to all the body parts. So this is the process of human circulatory system. Now you can clearly see this flow chart that is shown on the screen, and with the help of this flow chart also you can remember how human circulatory system takes place. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned for the next revision video.